Hi, hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how we prepare the Snap dish washing liquid. It is as easy as ABC. Alright, so first we turn on the tap water with the empty bottle. Yep, just fill the bottle with water. Yes, just fill with water. Okay. Alright, now we shall bring the bottle. Alright, place it here. Okay, so now word of caution, before you touch any of the packs, make sure that your hand is dry. So wipe your hand with a towel first. Okay, be sure to wipe your hand dry with a towel, because otherwise if you touch the packet with your wet hands, it's gonna melt inside the compartment box. Alright, now we do not want that to happen. Okay, so for the Snap dish wash liquid, the pack that is used here is the green pack. Alright, so now we will take the green pack. Yep, just take the green pack and drop it into the bottle. Just like that. Yep, just drop it in. Okay, it's okay, just drop it in, alright. Okay, so now we put the cap on. Alright, put the cap on. Yep, just poke it in. Okay. Alright, good. So we shall just take the bottle, okay, and we can actually check for it to be tight, okay, and we can actually shake the bottle a bit. Otherwise, we can just leave it for about a minute to 3 minutes, and it will dissolve by itself. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see that, yeah, it's turning the bottle, the content of the bottle is turning green. Okay.
Color.
Yep.
Yes, it's melting. Okay, so once the whole packet is diluted into the water, it will be ready for washing your dishes. Clean all the dirty dishes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's just watch. Okay, good. It's dissolving. Yeah, you see? Wow. Looks like a science experiment, yeah? A very interesting science experiment. Okay. Get a load of that. Yep. Okay, so it's diluted, yep, and the whole packet is going down. Okay. Yep, there it goes. Okay, we can just give it a shake.
Let it go. Shake. Green color.
Okay, so it's totally green now. Alright, our Snap dishwashing liquid is ready
green
for use.
Color.
Yes.
So much green.
Okay, everyone, wash your dishes. Go. Snap for you from Market Malaysia.
You may wash the dishes. Alright. Time to wash. One more time. Okay, come on, Scott. Okay, next. Scott. Good, okay, spray. Very good. After spraying, scrub. Scrub water and wash. Alright people, so that's basically how you wash your dishes with Snap dishwashing liquid. It's so easy, super simple, and it's ABC to me, ABC to you, and you can choose what you do. Alright, have fun everyone, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye!
Bye bye.
Bye bye.